Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues while you work. Wear gloves and safety glasses. Cabin filters can contain dust, pollen, and debris. Use a replacement cabin filter labeled for 2015 Subaru Forester, approximately 5 inches by 5 inches, and keep the vehicle manual handy. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, small flat pry tool, and a flashlight to access the glove box area and unclasp plastic tabs quickly and safely. Open the glove box, remove the dampener arm on the passenger side, and squeeze the glove box sides to lower it fully so it hangs open. Behind the glove box, locate the rectangular cabin filter cover, press the release tabs, and unclip the 2 plastic tabs holding the cover in place. Slide out the old filter slowly, noting the airflow arrow direction stamped on its frame. Inspect the filter for trapped leaves, dust, or mold, and vacuum the cavity if heavy debris is present. Insert the new cabin filter with the airflow arrow pointing toward the cabin interior. Make sure the filter sits flush in the slot and the rubber gasket seals evenly. Reinstall the filter cover until the clips click, raise the glove box back up into position, reconnect the dampener arm, and resecure any screws or fasteners you removed. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test the HVAC system on fan mode. Replace the filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or once a year, or sooner in dusty climates for best air quality and HVAC performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.